guys, and welcome back to Adventures in the Schoolhouse, and happy Valentine's Day. We are getting ready for Valentine's Day in the Little Red Schoolhouse. We have a super fun and easy craft that you can do at home with your little ones to go with our lesson. So we have this awesome K through second grade lesson that we created for you. You can download it on our shop in our website, and it's a book study that features The Day It Rained Hearts by Felicia Bond. We love this story. And in here, your little learners will go through visualization skills. They will use their visualization skills. They will recreate the story and look for story clues. They will build Valentine sentences, and they will write sentences of their own, and they will create some super fun grammar heart nouns, and then have a fun craft with their own hearts and umbrellas. So really fun lesson that we have for you, and you just can access that on our website at www.adventuresintheschoolhouse.com. And this is a really fun and easy craft that you can do at home with your little ones. This is just a red dessert plate. So it can be any color plate, so a little dessert plate that you may have at home. And I just want to show you what your supplies are. So dessert plate, we've got yarn, any color, with a safe needle, right? This is just a plastic safe needle that we've used many times before in our crafts. Scissors, and a hole punch. So step one, we're going to take our paper plate and we are going to fold it in half. And this is just a fun, fine motor activity that we can do to celebrate Valentine's, that, like I said, goes with our heart nouns and all of our Valentine's love letters that we're writing, and our Valentine's book study, The Day It Rained Hearts. So we're just going to go ahead and cut our paper plate. And inside, the shape of a half of a heart, right? So when you open this up, it will look like that, right? So we're going to open that guy up. It doesn't have to be perfect. If it's a little jagged, you can certainly clean it up. Just clean up the edges a little bit. Then we're going to go around and we're going to hole punch. So we're going to go around like this. Okay, so we have this. All right, so here's our yarn. First going to go around, and then we're going to create a pattern. And I'll just hold up the finished product. But you see how it's crisscrossed? So it's really pretty. And in the light, in the natural light, it's really, really pretty too. Okay guys, so we finished, we went around, and if your little learners just want to leave it at that, you can leave it at that, but I think the really fun and cute part is going across. So making it like this, right? So crisscrossing. So from right to left. And again, you can use different colors. So you can use a red plate with pink around the edge, a hot pink across the middle, you know, mix it up, different colors, Valentine's colors. You can also do a white plate with red and pink yarn. All right, so we're gonna crisscross over. Guys, so I got to the very end. We just stitched across, back and forth to create, starting at the top, going through to create a string heart. And this is what the finished product is. So we've got a couple different options. These are rainbow, but certainly you can do just pinks and reds and fuchsia and white and just pretty Valentine's colors. And you just cut the back, and we're gonna tie a knot. Okay, so guys, this is the finished product. Super cute little yarn heart craft. And we were able to work on our fine motor and have a fun Valentine's craft activity. So I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day and lots of fun with our craft and lots of fun with the Day It Rained Hearts lesson, K through 2. and have a happy Valentine's Day. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and come join our adventure in the Little Red Schoolhouse.